Guru Garanga Prabhu told me that one time in Geneva, he had brought a politician, a very important city administrator, to Srila Prabhupada. So he brought him into Srila Prabhupada's living room, and the man sat down, and Srila Prabhupada asked him, "So, do you have any questions?" And the man said, "No, I don't have any questions." So Srila Prabhupada took the harmonium and he chanted Hare Krishna. For 40 minutes, he simply chanted Hare Krishna. Then put the harmonium to the side. He looked at the man and he told him, "This is what we do. We chant Hare Krishna." And he smiled. And he asked the devotees, "Please give him prasadam." So, Krishna consciousness is the magic formula. The more we are ready to share these gifts of Krishna consciousness with the world, the more we will become enabled to be witnesses of this magic. Hare Krishna.